As the system expands, you will be able to add different subsystems into your logic folder to help with organization. You can also rename your logic symbols. Most likely, you'll be using different instances of the same symbol multiple times throughout the same program in different places. You should name your logic symbols so that the name is descriptive as to what function the logic symbol is performing in your specific program. To rename a logic symbol, you can right-click on it and select View Edit Symbol Comment. Or you can select the logic symbol with your mouse and press the Tab button on your keyboard. We will call this logic symbol System Message. We will rename the stepper to System Startup Sequence. If you go back into the Set Reset latch, we can see that there is a provision for an extended comment. You can write a description or explanation of what the purpose of this logic symbol is in your specific program. We can now test our system. You can press the Ctrl and S keys to save. You can compile the program in multiple ways. Go to Project, Convert Compile, or press F12 on your keyboard. You can also press the icon here on the interface to compile. You will see a message pop up asking if you want to transfer the program. We will choose Yes. To load a program, choose a processor. The processor should match the model you are programming. In our case, we have it preloaded into our Crestron Toolbox address book, and therefore it shows up here. There are several options available when loading a program. Under the Program option, you can select which program slot to load the program to. Most processors have 10 programming slots. You will load the program to internal flash. Some models may have a removable media option, but in our case, we are not utilizing it. Once the program is loaded, we will see the program information here under Current Program Information. You can stop the program or restart it, which does not restart the processor, but restarts this program only. And you can also erase and retrieve the program. Retrieving it will allow you to copy the compiled code onto your computer. Note that this is compiled code, not editable code. There is an option in Simple Windows Preferences to copy the non-compiled code onto the processor. If this option is checked, you can retrieve the .lpz file, change the extension to a .zip, and extract the Simple Windows zip archive file. The archive can then be imported into Simple Windows. Browse will allow you to change the program you want to load. Since this prompt was triggered by Simple Windows, it already knows what program to load because it is the one that we just compiled. We can also view the program information here, which will be copied to the top window once loaded. If the bypass auto start-stop of dependent programs is unchecked, other dependent programs will be restarted as well. Send SIG file should be checked, as it makes it possible to troubleshoot your program later using Simple Debugger, a tool that is part of the Crestron Toolbox software suite. Overwrite existing IP table on the device without asking is an option that will overwrite any existing IP table entries in the processor in exchange for the IP table entries in the program you just compiled and are about to load. Most of the time, this can be checked. Press the Send button to load the code. We can now see a dialog pop up with the status. Once the program is uploaded, we have the option to send again if we need to for some reason. Let's test our X panel. The X panel already has the connection information from being previously set. If we press the screen, we can see that the message pops up and the page flips to the main page.